Hi traders, today is 24th of June 2020. We are now live day trading for mini S&P futures 500 and as well Russell 2000. So order have just been filled at this moment, and based from my live Telegram channel, we are going to short sell the market. We're going to short sell the market at 68.75. So order already been filled. Alright, so we expected for the price to move to the downside, to the south, breaking for the low. Okay, so as for now, there's a pullback being seen. Okay, so there's a major sell off at the beginning of US session, so we are now entering for the there's a strong pullback over there. Our stop loss is at 79. $79.75. So in case the price move to this high, then there's no point to stay in the market. So this is the stop loss. I think so. Alright, so this is live trading. While waiting, I will pause this video. Once the price back to the positive area, then we'll resume later on. Alright guys, so far looks good. So we are in the positive territory. Alright, so we did enter somewhere here. 1401. So for Russell, that's why I need to, but the price will keep moving further down, so we expected for the bearish movement at this moment. So based from last Telegram channel, so just ignore this one. This one I'm going to include for my Russell 2000. By 2. Okay, it's not far. Okay, so price seems pretty much good at this moment. So we expect to TP at 30.58. So the lowest just now is 62. So 58 is our target. So let's put 59, should be fine. Okay, so over there, so I have placed, one moment, I have placed TP for yes. Then we are expected around 9 points of profit. So 1 point about $50, then 9 point is 450. So this is live trading. Yeah. Okay, so let's wait. Hope you guys can see the chart, or it's not really clear. Let me choose like this. Is it okay? Okay, there's a strong. Okay, looks good like this. Okay, so the TP is over here, this green line. So the left one, left chart is Russell 2000. The right hand side, the right hand chart is mini S&P futures 500. So there's a strong bearish movement at this moment. Oh, price didn't reverse back. Let's take a look on the Russell. Yeah, both still pending, although the market looks a bit bearish at this moment. We hope the price will not reverse back, hopefully. If reverse back, then doesn't look good for the TP. Not far actually from the TP targeted price level, but so let's wait. Still in the positive area, positive territory. Okay guys, we'll pause this video. Try not to make this video too long, so you can have a look how I do the trading. There's a link in the description below. Feel free to click on it. Okay, all other video live trading, you can find it in my YouTube playlist, in my YouTube channel. So I have segregated crude oil as well for Russell and mini S&P futures 500. Okay, so let's wait. We'll resume later on once there's a sharp movement to the downside. Okay guys, resume back again. So far doesn't look good. As you can see now, the price get back to our entry. We are hoping for the market to have a very strong bearish movement, but instead for now price didn't touch our TP targeted area, almost there, but then it reversed back to the higher side. And let's wait for the next 15 minutes to see whether the bearish still valid or we just need to exit our position. But based on the current situation, still positive, but it's not as good as the one we want. So 4 points or 3 points is achievable at this moment. Our target is 8 to 12 points actually. So let's wait and hope things will get clear on the bearish movement as soon as possible. So now the price keep dropping to 95 and 94. Sorry, 65 and 64. You can see as a red candle and blue candle for Russell 2000. Okay, I will pause this video and resume later on once for the next few candles. Alright, we still hope that this bearish candle will be strong. And it's going to take some time because I'm expecting for the price to spike down, but it didn't. So I need to reconsider to escape this position. I will pause this video and try to analyze a bit on the market. Still a strong bearish movement at this moment, as you can see. Alright, 8 points. Our target is 8 points. So now we are reaching 6 points. The lowest is 7 points. Sorry, 8 points. Still have to have some patience. So looks good. Still bearish. Maybe we can try to exit early. Okay. Any moment it will break through. Okay, looks good, looks good. Okay, the price for both markets still go down. I think should be good enough. I will exit for one moment. I will exit for mini S&P. Good enough. Okay, for Russell, yeah, better protect my profit. Okay, so I think that's it. That's it. Lowest is 360, 360. Okay, now it came back again down. But still the profit target is 58. So let's see whether it will hit the 58. So I need to suggest hopefully all other traders already exit. So it seems like the price have some resistance over there. Okay, please exit at best. So we did enter at 69. The price now is 61. So 8 points, about 400 US dollar. If you're trading mini S&P futures 500, it's still good. 61 is a good. Sorry, I should. Alright, 61 still good. Okay, let's take a look. Now the price keep dropping. The lowest is 60.50. So I hope the other guys, the other traders already exit the position. Because yeah, I have advised to exit at best. Normally they will exit early, but depends. It was a profit trading day today. Okay, let's go back to the chart. Our target is not really aggressive, actually. It's quite conservative with 8 points of profit, but could be a reversal maybe. So let's not sure about this, have to wait. Our price keep rising up because of the profit taking activity, mostly from the seller just now at the beginning of US session. Okay, I will pause this video. Hopefully the price will come back down and then resume our recording. Price still strong on the bearish movement. Our previous target is 58. Hope I can record it live to show we did hit the targeted price. So hope you guys can see this chart. Okay, so the lowest for mini S&P is 60. Okay, doesn't look good. Okay, you can see a strong blue candle, but after all we already exit our position, about 8 points. 8 points is quite a lot. 400 US dollar per trade for mini S&P futures 500. Okay, we wait some more. Okay, looks good. The lowest is 58.75. Yeah, we hit the target. Alright, we hit the target. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of link in the description below. Feel free to click on it if you are interested to get the live signal. So just follow the link in description. Thank you. Bye bye.